Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thanks so much for coming back to the channel. This video I'm going to be talking about Glow Recipes Guava Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream Gel. This is what it looks like. I've been using it for the last probably month or two since it came out. My new favorite eye cream. Very close tie. It's a tie with this, and I have it right next to me. It's a tie between these two. So this, if you're not familiar with what the box looks like, this is actually a new box. So Ole Henriksen's Banana Bright Eye Cream. So here, I could take it out because I'm about to start using it because I finished the Glow recipe, which I'm probably gonna buy on one of my next Sephora trips while the sale's happening. But so this is what it looks like in real life. This little container is iconic. You've probably seen this before. These are the two #1 eye creams for me. So in terms of my eye challenges, I'll say my issues are puffiness under my eyes, and then also a darker, so like a bluish purplish dark area. So I have makeup on now, so you can't fully see the color of it, but you can see a little bit of that puffiness right there. So basically, I need an eye cream that does both. There's a lot that moisturize and get rid of the fine lines. There are some that don't do the best moisturizing job, but they'll get rid of the color. I need both. I need no fine lines, and I need depufferization, and this is exactly what this does. It has a really cute little pump, and you just pump it out onto your fingers. Use your ring finger and then are able to put it on your eye. It has a really cute little guava smell. Here, this is what it looks like, a pinky cream. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but this is one thing I don't like about it though. There's so much product left in here behind, and I gotta figure out how to get it out, because only flaw is the packaging. There's like a whole bunch of product down here, and when I pump, it won't come out. So I'm gonna give her a good shake. Hopefully that means next time I use her, it'll actually, something will come out. But I love this. It's my new favorite eye cream. It's definitely great. A lot of these eye creams that are gel, they don't perform as well as the creamy ones, but this is not that. This is a really, really good eye cream that works whether or not you have dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin. This is the best eye cream ever. I can't talk about it highly enough. I use it every day. I use it morning and night, twice a day. Apply with my ring finger gently from down here all the way to into my eyebrows. That way the whole area is moisturized. And it's just the easy, breezy, regular eye cream. Their avocado eye mask I do like. It's a great product. However, because it is in a little pot and you have to do the little scoop, that is just an extra step for me that I just rather not do. So the fact that this has a pump and it's easy to use notches it out as the best eye cream from them for me. So and also, like I said, it addresses all of the issues around my eyes that I'm trying to work on. So new favorite eye cream, love this, can't recommend it enough. I would say if you're interested, Sephora sales happening, go pick it up, get it at a discount. All right, so again, that is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. New favorite eye cream. Love this. If you tried it and you have questions or you're looking to try it, leave it in the comments below so we can talk about it, okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.